Today on Scraps, we're making a quick pantry pasta, using whatever you've got in your pantry.
That's next on Scraps. Scraps.
First, get a pot of salted boiling water on the stove, and then add whatever pasta you'll want. I'm using fusilli today. Well, I've got a bunch of great ingredients to work with today. Some poblano peppers, some chickpeas. Let's take a look. And this is some fresh Swiss chard that a friend gave me that she grew in her garden. And here's a poblano pepper that I grilled recently, some eggplant that I grilled, some leftover garbanzo beans, and here's some garlic confit, which is garlic just poached in its own oil, some lemon, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And also some white wine I'll be using. Also chicken stock is great here too. This is all veggie. So anyway, you want to cut up your Swiss chard, cut up your poblanos as well. I found that there's a lot of seeds in the poblano. I just rinse it with water and it comes right off. Chop those up. Then get a pan nice and hot on the stove, add a little bit of oil. Once you start seeing some smoke, pan is nice and hot, add your Swiss chard. Then I like to add a little bit of garlic oil. It's just oil that I poached, olive oil, poached garlic, and it's nice and infused with that garlic. You can also use raw garlic here, just slice it thin and add it in while you're sauteing your Swiss chard, or whatever veggies. Also, kale works well here. Collard greens, any kind of greens you want. I threw in my poblanos here, and then I add in some of my chickpeas. And then my eggplant goes in. It's already been cooked, so these are kind of a great addition if you have like butternut squash that you have left over that's cooked in the fridge, or maybe some zucchini would be good here. All sorts of great ideas. Then I like finishing it with a little bit of lemon zest. I had a half a lemon in the fridge, and so I'm just trying to get all the zest that I can off of it. And then we'll also use the juice. And then I like to deglaze with some white wine. You can also deglaze with chicken stock, but today I'm making this vegetarian. Then once your sauce has been reducing a bunch, then add your pasta. Now I cook mine like a minute or two less than they say in the package for al dente. That way if there's too much liquid in the pan, the pasta basically continues cooking and finishes cooking in the pan. I actually like to save a little bit of my pasta water, starchy pasta water, in a mug. And finish with some Parmesan Reggiano. This will help thicken the pasta. Give it a nice bit of extra virgin olive oil. Adding brightness here, we're going to finish with some lemon juice. And a little bit more cheese. I don't think you can have too much cheese in pasta. I think it's absolutely impossible. Yes, impossible. And that's pretty much it. Delicious pantry pasta made with just things in your cupboard or whatever vegetables you have, leftovers. Never enough Parmesan Reggiano. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time on Scraps.
Scraps.